Now I welcome Sai Manohar to deliver a speech in English. Respected principals, sisters and teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to all. Today we are here to celebrate a very special day. Our Independence Day is an important because it reminds us of the brave people who fought for our freedom. They worked very hard and even sacrificed their lives. On this day we see our beautiful national flag flying high in the sky. We also sing national anthem Jana Gana Mana. It makes feel proud to be Indians. We should always remember their sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Respect for our country. Let us promise to be a good student and responsible citizen. So let's celebrate this Independence Day with